This air fryer basket, OPENICE 2 set, is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes with two sizes, large and medium. This set includes both an air fryer pan and a crisper tray. You can use them in your oven for baking and making foods crispy. The non-stick surfaces help prevent food from sticking. Cleaning is easy with soap and water. The air fryer basket, OPENICE 2 set, helps you cook healthier meals. It allows air to circulate around your food. This makes your food crispy without using too much oil. The tray catches drips, so your oven stays cleaner. Many users give this product high rates for its performance. It offers good control over how your food cooks. Plus, it can save you money compared to buying a separate air fryer electronics. This air fryer basket, OPENICE 2 set, is versatile. You can use it to cook many different foods. Think crispy fries or roasted vegetables. It even covers baking needs. The two sizes in the collection are useful for different meals. While it doesn't come with guides, using it is pretty easy. The non-stick surfaces make cooking and cleanup simpler. It's a worthwhile addition to your kitchen. Pros: 2 medium basket and tray sets, includes 60 parchment papers, ideal for most regular ovens. Works well together or apart. Eat healthier with less oil. Mesh design for 360 degrees airflow. No need for flipping food. Results in crispy meals. Non-stick surface. Less oil. Tray catches grease and crumbs. Easy to use. Less mess. Perfect for busy people. Easy to clean up. Dishwasher safe. Stainless steel material. Less risk of food sticking. Great for air frying. Also good for grilling. Useful for roasting. Can be used for baking. Good for crispy fries. Excellent for roasted veggies. Perfect for juicy steaks. Saves time and energy. Cook more food at once. Durable stainless steel. Resistant to rust. Achieves crispy results. Retains new appearance. Paper liners reduce mess. Compact size saves space. Easy grip handles. Heats and crisps evenly. Less effort to flip food. Can contain grease. Also contains crumbs. Hand wash safe too. Versatile in use. Good for heating pizza. Great for roasting meat. High customer ratings. Good quality material. Works very well. Cleans up nicely. Highly recommended. Love this product. Excellent for new ovens. Used multiple times a week. Easy to keep clean. Not cheap metal. Dishwasher safe. Good for air frying. Good for baking. Good for grilling. Good for roasting. Can heat pizza. Can crisp fries. Can roast meat. Easy to handle. Heats food evenly. Food doesn't stick. Makes cleaning easy. Can cook more food. Good for families. Good for entertaining. Very practical. Efficient cooking. Sturdy construction. Withstands high heat. Transforms the oven. Modern kitchen look. Cons: not for very liquid food. Cleaning mesh can be tricky. Food might stick a bit. Need to flip some foods. Not as portable as a basket. Requires oven to use. Can't do very tall items. 2 pieces to clean. Features: oven, air fryer, non-stick, crisper tray, baking, crispy foods, easy to clean, less oil. 360 degrees heat. This OPENICE set has 2 non-stick baskets and trays for your oven. 1 big and 1 medium. They help you make crispy food like fries and baked goods with less oil. The mesh design lets hot air flow all around your food for even cooking. They are also easy to clean because food doesn't stick. And you can even put them in the dishwasher. The trays catch drips to keep your oven clean. This OPENICE set comes with 2 medium-sized stainless steel mesh baskets and trays for your oven. Plus 60 parchment papers to reduce mess. Designed for most regular ovens. These non-stick baskets and trays can be used together or separately to air fry, grill, roast, or bake, helping you cook healthier meals with less oil and achieving crispy results without flipping most. foods due to the 360 degrees airflow. They are easy to use, save time and energy by allowing you to cook more at once, and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, though the mesh can sometimes be tricky to clean and some foods might stick a bit.